What's up, guys? We're at Main Street Cycle. We're doing a 100-mile break-in oil change. That's what's recommended, and this machine has had a rough 100 miles for a break-in period. So we got an 8mm. We're gonna get under here, drop the oil. While that's draining, there's a magnet on the end of your plug that you can see all your little metal shavings collected on. Clean that off. Then we'll get to the side, and there's a 19mm plug here on the side with a screen behind it. Make sure you drop it like I did. And it's gonna make a mess. So there's the plug, has an O-ring on it. I told him I was gonna make a mess before I made a mess. Pull this screen out and let all the oil drain, and then you'll put this screen back in and put the plug back on it. That's why Blake lets Harmon do mechanic videos. Make sure it's seated in there. Grab your plug. Break. One and only Harmon at Main Street, Janitor Edition.
Yeah, I'm the only one here that owns them.
Alright, so hand start your plug for that screen inside here. Make sure your O-ring's on it. Just snug. You got an oil filter wrench? Tightest oil filter I've ever seen in my life. The oil filter is so tight.
Yeah, I know. Back to the all of like even the one on this. So tight. Nobody ever, they've never seen them in school. Like you're supposed to do snug and then a half turn. Let's put it down till it bottoms out.
Do what?
Look, I was messing. Oh my god.
Woo!
You're always being, don't be.
That joker was on there. Still on.
Alright, here we go. You lifted then.
Maybe it'll hit the drain. Alright, so we got the filter change, got the oil drop, pulled the screen, drained it, reinstalled it, and now we'll reinstall our drain plug underneath. There is an O-ring on it. Stayed in place. And you snug that back up, and then we'll put 3.5 quarts of oil in it and let it down for that. All right, so we're on top of the machine now, putting the oil back in, putting 5W40 in it. We the 2025 Segway Villain, the whole back area is different, and to me it's a lot simpler. You just lift this hatch. You'll need a pair of pliers of some sort to pull your oil filled drain. One. Two. Three. And now we'll put just a half of this 4th quart. Struggling with these today. About half. And then on your second service, you only have to buy 3 quarts of oil because you already got the half. And then you get your fuel cap or oil cap, put it in there, and it's really tight. And you'll hear it pop shut. And that's all it takes to do your service for your first service, 100 miles, change your oil. Very simple, you can do it at the house. And I'll drop a link for the service kit here at teammscparts.com, or you can call up here and they'll be able to get you a kit together and get it to you. So if you do me a favor though, like, subscribe, comment, and follow along for the next one, and a lot more Segway content coming. Thanks for watching.